In this video, I will show you how to fix Invite Collaborator option on Instagram. There's a lot of solutions we can have here in order to fix it. We're going to have two options. Go to your App Store and make sure your Instagram application is up to update, or in short, it's updated. On to our second option is go to your Instagram application and to your profile, click the three horizontal lines above and you want to go to settings and account. In here, you need to switch to professional account so that you can use the feature Invite Collaborator. That's it. I hope this video helped you out.